What we really wanted to achieve here is, well, why make this really fast car that's crazy fast and everything? And I think there is something that's quite important to the future of sustainable energy, which is we've got to show that an electric car is the best car, hands down. It's got to be clear. Like, man, this is sustainable energy. Cars can be the fastest, can be the safest, can be the most kick-ass cars in every way. I mean, this is what I call the limit of physics engineering. This announcement comes directly from Elon Musk, who has introduced what he describes as Tesla's latest game changer. The purpose of this innovation isn't merely to set a new standard in the automotive industry, but to demonstrate what electric vehicles are capable of achieving. For years, skeptics doubted that electric cars could match or surpass the performance of their gas-powered counterparts, but this new Tesla model proves otherwise. It's a vehicle that promises to be the best car on the market, designed for everyone, not just for those who can afford luxury. People are always eager to learn what Tesla's next move will be. And tonight, Musk has shared not one but two new products in the pipeline that he believes will excite consumers. One of these is a groundbreaking $9,000 car, potentially redefining the entire auto industry by making electric vehicles accessible to a broader audience. Tesla has managed to make significant strides in both design and manufacturing. The technological advancements and manufacturing techniques introduced with this car are unmatched by current industry standards, aiming to revolutionize affordability, accessibility, innovation, and sustainability in the automotive world. To grasp the rationale behind offering a Tesla at such an unprecedented low price, one must delve into Elon Musk's long-term vision for Tesla. Since its inception, Tesla's goal has been democratizing access to electric vehicles. Initially, Tesla focused on high-end markets with models like the Roadster, Model S, and Model X. However, with the introduction of the Model 3 and Model Y, Tesla began catering to a broader market segment. Yet, the idea of a $9,000 Tesla was beyond what most could have imagined. Musk's vision for this new model is clear: to make electric cars affordable for everyone, regardless of where they live or their economic status. This vehicle isn't just for the middle class in developed nations. It's intended to reach students, families, and even consumers in emerging markets where car ownership has been a distant dream. Musk's mantra for this project was, sustainable energy can't just be for those who can afford a luxury car. It has to be for everyone. This car, therefore, is by the people, and for the planet. Musk described the $9,000 model as the zenith of Tesla's years of learning, optimization, and technological breakthroughs. Drawing from the experiences of manufacturing previous models, Tesla has now combined this knowledge with significant advancements in battery technology and software engineering to create a vehicle that is not only affordable but also efficient and electric. The skepticism was palpable when the price was announced. Many wondered if such a vehicle could maintain Tesla's reputation for quality and performance. Musk quickly addressed these concerns by detailing the car's specifications, which indeed showcased that this was not just another budget car but a true Tesla. Dubbed the Model C, this vehicle offers an impressive 200-mile range on a single charge, which is more than sufficient for most daily driving needs. Its design is compact, tailored for urban environments, yet it maintains the sleek, aerodynamic lines synonymous with Tesla's aesthetic. Inside, the Model C is equipped with a minimalistic yet functional interior centered around a large touchscreen that provides access to Tesla's infotainment system, including navigation, music streaming, and various apps. The car also comes with Tesla's autopilot technology, enabling semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making it one of the most technologically advanced vehicles in its price segment. Despite its low cost, the Model C offers seating for four with ample legroom, using materials that, while not as luxurious as those in higher-end models, are still of high quality. The trunk space is also cleverly maximized due to the vehicle's innovative design and the compact nature of its electric drivetrain. Surprisingly, the Model C is also quick, boasting a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in just 6.5 seconds, ensuring that it's not just practical but also fun to drive, even on highways or during city maneuvers. How was Tesla able to achieve this price-performance balance? Tesla has been pioneering battery technology for years, significantly reducing costs while improving efficiency. The Model C employs Tesla's latest lithium iron phosphate, LFP, batteries, which are not only cheaper to manufacture but also more sustainable, with a longer lifespan and lower risk of thermal runaway compared to the nickel-cobalt-aluminum (NCA) batteries used in more expensive models. The integration of the battery into the vehicle structure has been optimized, leading to a more compact, lighter design that enhances energy efficiency. By simplifying the car's design and reducing the number of parts, Tesla has managed to cut costs dramatically. The Model C uses Tesla's gigacasting technology, where large sections of the vehicle are cast in one piece, minimizing assembly steps and costs. Tesla's gigafactories are highly automated, employing AI to optimize production processes. This automation reduces human labor costs and increases efficiency, allowing for the production of cars at a scale that drives down per-unit costs. Tesla controls much of its manufacturing process, from battery production to final assembly, which allows for better cost control and quality assurance. This combination of innovations has enabled Tesla to offer a car that breaks the traditional price barrier for electric vehicles, making sustainable transportation an option for more people than ever before. Tesla's gigafactories have become legendary for their size, capacity, and ambition. Musk highlighted how these facilities have been pivotal in realizing the $9,000 Tesla. The production of the Model C would mainly take place in Tesla's new Gigafactory in Texas, alongside other global gigafactories. These factories are unique not just for their scale but for their level of vertical integration. Unlike many automakers who rely on extensive supply chains, Tesla produces many components in-house, from batteries to seats, which cuts costs, ensures quality, and allows rapid iteration and design changes. The high degree of automation, driven by AI at these factories, means fewer human errors, higher production rates, and lower costs. Moreover, these facilities are powered by renewable energy sources like solar and wind, aligning with Tesla's sustainability goals and reducing the environmental footprint of manufacturing. Musk also spoke about future plans to expand Tesla's manufacturing footprint globally, particularly in markets like India and South America, to reduce shipping costs and tariffs, making the Model C even more affordable for local consumers. The Model C isn't just about the car itself, it's about redefining car ownership. Musk introduced several novel ownership models, including traditional ownership, where you buy the car outright for $9,000, a subscription model, where you pay a monthly fee and have the option to upgrade to newer models every few years, direct-to-consumer sales, where you can buy the car online, bypassing traditional dealerships, and a car-sharing program, where Model C owners can rent out their cars when not in use, potentially offsetting ownership costs with income. This approach not only makes car ownership more flexible, but also promotes a sharing economy, which could be particularly transformative in urban settings. Despite its low price, the Model C doesn't skimp on safety. It's built with Tesla's ultra-strong steel frame for crash protection, includes 8 airbags, and has advanced driver assistance systems like automatic emergency braking and lane-keeping assistance. Most impressively, the Model C includes hardware for Tesla's full self-driving capability, with Musk promising that the car would be ready to take advantage of future software updates for autonomous driving once regulatory approvals are in place. Musk emphasized that safety is non-negotiable at Tesla, no matter the price point, aiming to make the Model C one of the safest cars in its category. Elon Musk has always prioritized sustainability, and the $9,000 Tesla is no exception. It's designed to be one of the greenest cars on the road, with a significantly lower carbon footprint than any gas-powered vehicle at its price. The use of sustainable materials, vegan leather, and recycled plastics in the interior, coupled with manufacturing powered by renewables, underlines this commitment. Tesla is also expanding its supercharger network with stations powered by solar energy and introducing a solar home charging package, allowing owners to generate their own electricity for charging, enhancing the vehicle's eco-friendliness. The automotive industry has been rocked by Tesla's announcement. Competitors like General Motors, Ford, Volkswagen, and newer entrants like Rivian and Lucid Motors are now forced to rethink their strategies. There's a rush to innovate and reduce costs, with many considering partnerships or in-house developments in battery technology, software, and manufacturing processes to match Tesla's pace. This move by Tesla is seen by many as potentially signaling the beginning of the end for traditional combustion engines, as consumers increasingly opt for affordable, sustainable alternatives like the Model C. Tesla's stock surged following the announcement, reflecting investor confidence in this new direction. Pre-orders for the Model C flooded in, causing a spike in website traffic as consumers expressed enthusiasm for an electric vehicle that fits into their budget. Social media was abuzz with discussions, with many praising Tesla for making electric cars accessible to the masses. In markets like India, Brazil, and Southeast Asia, where Tesla has had limited penetration due to high costs, the Model C is seen as potentially transformative, offering a Tesla at a price that could compete with much cheaper local alternatives. Despite the excitement, there are challenges ahead. Scaling production to meet demand will be crucial, with concerns about securing enough raw materials for the LFP batteries. Regulatory hurdles in various countries regarding electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and data privacy could also pose obstacles. However, these challenges are not insurmountable, and Tesla's history suggests they are well prepared to address them. The $9,000 Tesla Model C heralds a new era where electric vehicles are not just for the affluent but accessible to all. Musk's closing message was that this is just the beginning, hinting at even more affordable models and further innovations in battery technology, autonomous driving, and vehicle design. This car is a statement that the future of transportation is electric, and that future is now.